Hello everyone. Today I will introduce our vacuum cleaner. It's rechargeable cordless, so battery inside. After charging, it can work in more than 1 hour. So let's start, and I will show you what's the accessory included in the machine. You can see this is our company natural packing color box. And this machine is our hot sale models in the market. You can find customer can use it to clean your pool, your spa, your hot tub. And it's very easy to using and very easy to clean and also very easy to assemble it. So let's open it. You can see when I open the box, there's a vacuum head and a handle on the top of the box, and we can take it out. This is the triangle vacuum head, and on the bottom it with brush. And for some winning pools, also have some bubble brush in blue color. Okay, put here. And this is the handle. Every machine with one handle. And I put outside. And now, then we take off the top cover of the package. And you can see the main body and filter basket and also a cover here. This is the machine filter cover. Yeah. And this is the filter basket and the charger inside. Actually, for different markets, the charger will be a little different. Normally, our most market is in Europe, and we provide the 2 round pin plug. And this is the main body. And to the package another way. So now, this is all part of the machine. For the next video, I will show you how to install all the machine very easily. So see you in next video. Bye bye.